Greetings to respected judges. At present, fake news, deepfakes, and privacy risk have become some of key threats to the society. The common example of these problems are WhatsApp news. Almost every one of us have faced, and anyone can be easily misguided through this fake news. To resolve this problem, Team Sync Squad had come up with TrueWell, an AI-powered web app which will help you to for the news analysis, deepfake detection, privacy analysis, and link analysis. So, judges, this is our homepage where you can see how our web app work, some of advanced intelligence simplifications, and our trifold defects, which include linguistic pattern analysis, malicious domain detection, and deep threat recognition. Without wasting time, let's move ahead toward the login page. So, judges, this is our login page where you can log in or you can sign up by using your Google. Right now, let's log in as a guest. So this is our dashboard where you can see global trade monitor, today's scan, and the trade blog. Now let's move away our key features. So first of all, this is fake news detection where you can paste an article and it will show the article is true or not. So I had tested this new article. Now let's check whether it is true or not. I will simply click on analysis text and it will start detecting. So the result come up is the information is misleading and it's true. It does also give why the information is not true. Now let's move right to the defect detection. Here I have to simply browse the image from my folder and it will show whether the image is true or not. So here I had uploaded this image which is generated by the ChatGPT. And here to show high risk it can be deepfake. It's true, I had generated it from ChatGPT. Now let's move right towards the link analysis. So here I had pasted this link, phishing link. Here it is showing high risk detection level, which is true. Now let's move ahead toward the privacy risk detection. Here you have to test the document or text which you wanted to check. It will show whether the posted article contain your privacy threats or not. I had pasted this random text. Now let's check where it's contain privacy risk or not. So here it is showing high risk, which is true because I had mentioned here my email, password, my UPI ID, etc. etc. And now here in the trending news section, you can see the trending news which are there at present in the world, what's going in the world. You can change the categories what you wanted. Also, you can change the time of your news. Here you can see the analysis history of what you have already checked. Now let's have a look at the profile section. So judges, this is a profile section of a user. So judges, that's all from our side. Thank you so much for the considerations.